last one. Now, this is your story, and here we have hares fighting in the middle of the street, and it looks like they're going toe-to-toe. I don't know why they're pissed at each other. It's probably mating or something related.
Right on like a urban street.
Right in front of this car. They don't want to get out the way. They're more interested in their own problems. Like, bang, wow, really going for it. Boxing over here.
Yeah.
Damn.
They look kind of like, you know how kangaroos fight?
Very much so. Yeah, they look like mini kangaroos. I wonder how much damage they do because they would have little claws, right?
They would.
So if they get each other in the eye there, that's going to be pretty ugly.
It's like one of those those punching speed bags. They're just going.
They're fast. You're right, man. That's a lot of strikes. It's a lot of strikes.
And yeah, they're fighting along the street, and when one of them hits the edge there.
Oh, you can hear the patter. You can hear.
Yeah.
Listen to that. Wow.
Yeah, they're really. It's a UFC fight there.
Man, what do they want to do? Like, when does one back down? Like, when does the injury occur? Because I feel like they would could do this till they're exhausted.
Yeah, the joke is minus 1 HP, minus 1 HP. It's I mean,
yeah, it's nature, man. Nature's
wild.
In an urban environment, they still got their beef, whatever they're arguing about. Somebody's in somebody else's territory, or somebody's mating with the wrong mate, or
someone needs to make commentary on this. Yeah.
You want Rogan to do some UFC commentary?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Someone can just remix it.
Yeah.
And he's down. He landed with the right hand. The only thing is, you had to be. Oh, I think those hares might have got Otis's attention. He walked all the way over here.
He's like, "What's the deal?"
Thank you very much to everybody who joined us here today. As usual, we truly do appreciate your time, and you make it all worthwhile. This show right here is a lovely thing to do. We cover it all, the entire internet. If it happened on the internet, it happens on this show, and it happened here today. Time well spent, I promise you that. We're going to be back tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Friday?
Mm-hmm. Mo will be back tomorrow.
Mo will be back tomorrow.
Exciting
Big Mo.
times.
I know everybody has missed Mo greatly, so he'll be back tomorrow, and we'll be very interested to catch up with him and find out what the hell has been going on over the last couple of days.
Uh-huh.
Thank you very much. I already said thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you.